performance of the play yesterday, and all of you know about Shalom Sanuta and her brother Munna Mysore. Can't hear? Is it okay better now? So all of you goes back home today directly to Mysore. She has a flight at 6 p.m. So she has agreed to have a packed lunch from the cafe and have it on her way back to Mysore. So she's in love with North India, she's in love with North Indian food. So I said, let me bid her farewell with good food. And all of you who were divided into 4 groups who saw the play gave her a standing ovation yesterday. So since we are 200 plus here now in this hall, I would all of you request that to give her another round of applause together. Thank you. These claps not only cheer today, my other invitee, a lady called Tejaswita Mohan, had come all the way from Canada, and she had agreed to join this program today. Unfortunately, there's a death in her family, so she's not able to come. So I had requested some of my friends in Nirmay, so Pradeep and Anita ji have kindly consented to join, because Salom has been entertaining us for 4 hours in the last 2 days. So I thought I'll give her a break and not put the entire load on her. So we have 2 singers from Nirmay too. So without much delay, I would like to welcome first Sanuta on stage. And then we have her younger brother. He's a principal of a college in Mysore. And then a special thanks to Pradeep. Pradeep ji, aaiye. All of you know him very well. And I want to thank him for happening last minute. And he's normally accompanied by his wife Anita. So Anita ji. So without much of waste of time of talking, I would like to hand over the mic to Sanuta, because she's the person for you all today. So you will hear her voice again. Thank you, Sanuta.
I'm Raju sir for this opportunity, and I see. Okay, it's audible now. Yeah. Okay. I was just observing that Nirma is crazy for all the music and everything very cultural and also very motivating and very supportive. And I also observe that everyone here is talented and we've been doing a lot of work. I mean, this doesn't look like a senior home team. We found ourselves a little lazy when we come here. Like everybody is busy. We are. It's such a pleasure to be here, to have been performing here and get the blessings of all of you. Is such an amazing thing in life for me. Most memorable for all 3 of us, in fact. Today we thought we'll bring you some numbers which is most like the 90s or the 2000 album songs, or some Bollywood which is more like suiting the live music. I know you've been singing a lot of Bollywood retro and you are great with that, especially the karaoke thing. It's not easy to sing in karaoke, whatever you call it. To do live music is a little easy, but to sing in a karaoke, you have to be more perfect. And you are actually matching with that original voice, and you have that hype already. So much of responsibility. So we thought since you've already been listening to all such retro music, so we'll give you some kind of music which is like the band style. We have a band at home, I mean Mysore. It is called Navu Band. So we keep presenting, we are like 6 to 8 people in that. So in that style, whichever songs were very impressive for us in Hindi, we chose a few of them. And then we also will be sharing some of a very cult classics of our region with you, so you can join us. So to start with, I think everybody would know this song. It is from Wake Up Sid. It is called Iktara. Yeah, so we will try this. This is one of our favorite songs, so we want to present this for you. Thank you. सोते जागते जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद नैनों को जो बरसे जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद कैसे चलते ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते जैसा कोई किनारा किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा मैं बोले कोई किनारा किनारा मैं बोले कोई किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा It is so much of hope when we look at you, when we are here. Like we come back as if there's life again, you know. I feel so much of rebirth here. So congratulations Nirmai, and also it's such an amazing experience being here, living again. सुन रही है सुध-बुध होके कोई मैं कहानी पूरी कहानी है क्या किसे है पता मैं तो किसी के होके ये भी न जानी युद्ध है ये दो बंदियां रहेगी सदा पता किसे है पता किसे है पता जो से सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद नैनों को जो से सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद कैसे मैं चलूं देखना सब अनजाने रास्ते जैसा कोई किनारा किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा मैं बोल कोई किनारा किनारा मैं बोल कोई किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा जैसा कोई किनारा You've come a very long way, all of you, that the tension that we get is like nothing for you. So it is, when we come here, like, oh, there's better and greater life, you know. There's something, it gives us a wider perspective. I think everybody of our age should come here and participate with you. So that we it really takes all depression and whatever problems we have, it makes the problem look very small.
Oh, great.
Very, very important between all of
Lovely.
you. That's how it feels. So the next song we're going to sing is another favorite album from Kailash Kher's Allah Ke Bande. So like this. I'm so happy all people are like, you all know these songs. And we thought maybe like more than
Good choice.
वाह क्या बात
टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया टूटा टूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया टूटा हुआ वो आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पर ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल थे वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी हो कल आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी हो कल आएगा
क्या बात वाह वाह
अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी हो कल आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी हो कल आएगा
वाह
गया था हर सपना जब वो टूटा हो गया था टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था हर सपना जब वो टूटा बिखरे टुकड़ों में अल्लाह की खुशी का मंजर पाएगा अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी हो आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी हो आएगा टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया टूटा टूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया गिरता हुआ वो आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पर ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल थे वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी होकर गिराएगा अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे अल्लाह के बंदे जो भी होकर गिराएगा. It was like yesterday night. This is how we felt actually in that night. Whatever happens, we're gonna smile. You people are real inspiration. Thank you so much. Okay, since I see all the breakfast energy, we're going to give you a song, like a competition, because I know you're all very good singers. I was really scared last night, I couldn't sleep. How will I sing? My Hindi, my Kannada. Okay, so we thought, okay, we'll give some of the glimpses of the tribal community, which is very close, which is in the Karnataka area. It is called Soligas. So Soliga is a very tribal community. We still have it very near to our place. Very near to our place. So they have their own language called Soliga language. So in that language, they have a special ritual of hunting. You know, they explain the process of hunting for their children with the song. And they don't hunt for chicken, they go with peter bird, if you all know what is peter. It is in their language and in Kannada it is called Gaujalaki. Can you repeat, please?
Gaujalaki.
Gaujalaki. Your Kannada is better than mine. Okay. So Gaujalaki is how they hunt for this bird, and there is steps. Okay. So whenever I tell you the process of hunting, you must give me a kind of motivation. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. That is the chorus actually. Chorus part is that.
Yeah.
So we'll have to try it once, and then we'll all sing. So we'll do the singing part first, chorus part. So before they go hunting, this is the theme.
La 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 la.
I didn't even tell him to sing. That is the first. Okay.
La 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 la.
Echo, please. Put it down. I'll tell you. Once the song is la 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 la
La la la la la.
la 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 la
La la la la la la la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Full line because you're all singers. Okay.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Now we'll have a small competition. 16-8 Hindi. Yeah. So I will just find out who is on the right pitch and who has more energy. Okay. 1, 2. First they will sing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Le la 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 la. Le la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now it's your chance. I know you guys are more ready because once you got one. Okay. Ready? Ready go? Team ready? Le la 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 la. Le la 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 la. I love you, Uncle Ji. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'll give them half point extra because they're actually singing. Okay, we'll go again. So we'll go together. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, start. Le la 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 la.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
I love you, Nirmay. Okay, so we'll go like this. So I say, Gaujalaki Malaki Malaka. I don't have to repeat this. I can't. You just got to call that bird. I'll tell this is the bird. You just say, come. Okay. Gaujalaki Malaki Malaka. You want to say, Balagi Jigale. Balagi
Jigale.
Balagi Jigale.
Balai jigale.
Gaujalaki Malaki Malaka. Balagi Jigale. Bale is come. Bale Gijigale. Okay? Gijigale. Gaujalaki Malaki Malaka. Balagi Jigale. Gaujalaki Malaki Malaka. Balagi Jigale. Gaujalaki Malaki Malaka. Balagi Jigale. Gaujalaki Malaki Malaka. Balagi Jigale.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Layla la 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 la. Layla la 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 la.
Okay, that's all. So, wherever I say, I'm going to hunt you, from now on it's like, I'm going to hunt you, even if you stand, you say, ba lagi jigale. I'm going to hunt you, even if you sit, ba lagi jigale. Okay, you just have to say, tell the chorus. I will hunt, coming, dancing and coming, then you say, ba lagi jigale. I will hunt you even if you sleep or dance or whatever, I'll hunt you. Say, ba lagi jigale. Okay? That's all. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. La 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 la. We've got that Tita bird. Now that lady is nicely, she has prepared everything, cooked that, and she's waiting for her man. So, you know, the most annoying thing for women is we cook, everything is hot, but these men will go somewhere. Yeah. This is not tribal era.
It's common in the whole world.
Yeah, see, problems of the world. So this is what happens with that lady as well. So what she does is, so when everything is ready, this fellow goes out. He said 1 minute I'll come. And everything is getting cooled down now. We are getting angry. So, he said 1 minute. This fellow did not come. So now I'm actually telling you that. See, this is what happened at Mammo. Now, what is your reaction? Exactly. And also, that is one thing. And second, you can also say, no, it's okay. No, so what can you do?
That is the problem.
Yeah, take it easy. So that take it easy word in Solika is Lela Madi Lela.
Lela Madi Lela.
Lela Madi Lela.
Lela Madi Lela.
Uriga Hodava Bandila Kami.
Lela Lela.
Uriga Hodava Bandila Kami. Lela Lela. Sandege Hodava Bandila Kami. Lela Lela. Niriga Hodava Bandila Kami. Lela Lela. That's reasons. Water, tusu, market, etc. So that's the pain of that lady who has prepared everything. Food is ready. And then she's just telling the see, this fellow did not come, this fellow did not come. He went to the shop, he went to the market, he went to bring water, etc. etc. So your response is it's okay.
Lela Lela.
Okay, so we'll go with that stanza. You can change it now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, start. Uriga Hodava Bandila Kami. Lela Lela. Sandege Hodava Bandila Kami. Lela Lela. Uriga Hodava Bandila Kami. Lela Lela. Uriga Hodava Bandila Kami.
टू रूटीन। हम लोग तो कैरियर में गाना गाते हैं, so that is why they invited, they wanted somebody to sing on karaoke also। तो कल ही बात हुआ था, I said okay, she is not able to come, Tejaswita। I hope you will enjoy। और ये जो गाना गाने जा रहा हूँ वो बहुत ही हिट गाना है फिल्म धर्मात्मा से। इट हैज़ बीन फिल्म्ड ऑन फिरोज खान। यार ये लाइट बंद है, हेलो ये लाइट बंद है। तो 1975 में आई थी ये पिक्चर, और ये गाना बहुत ही हिट गाना है। जब मैं गाऊंगा तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। फिरोज खान है, हेमा मालिनी। नजर से नजरों की दिल से ये बात क्या है ये राज क्या है कोई हमें बता दे
सीने से होठों पे आया ये गीत कैसा ये राज जाने कोई हमें बता दे
झूठी नजर से नजरों की दिल से ये बात क्या है ये राज क्या है कोई हमें बता दे झूठी नजर से क्या है ये राज क्या है कोई हमें बता दे दिल की नजर से कुछ चांद तारे क्या आज है इतने कुछ चांद तारे
And even after so many years, it is so haunting, it is so melodious, it has that life. We simply cannot expect this from the present generation. It's highly impossible. And I completely agree with this because music should touch the soul of music should live with us.
ये
So
जनरेशन
that
तो
way-
बननी बंद हो गई है ये
Check.
बस बस
2013. So we were the college student friends. We were going through South Zone level competitions and also we started a band. And then the first song we wanted to sing is always Vande Mataram. We were just thinking if we can really do it, but I know we've just finished Independence Day, and I know you've been hearing a lot, especially this time. And with due respect, we will also present this with the same feel. This is not exactly Vande Mataram, but yes, I think feel of the creation of face. that celebrates Tagore, and very recently we did have a beautiful event on Rabindranath Tagore's work. That's how we learned this. And there we had to sing this for the Kannada audience as well. So I have the same bit which I sang in English, so I'd like to present that. If nobody speaks, oh my old friend, nobody speaks. If nobody comes nearer, all I live in fear. If nobody comes nearer, all I live in fear. Then open your mouth, then open your mouth to speak your heart. ಜೊತೆ ನಡೆಯದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಂತೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದಿರಲೇ ಒಂದಿರಲೇ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದಿರಲೇ ಜೋಡಿ ಜೋಡಿ ಲಕ್ಷಣಿಯೋ ನಾಶ ಇಟ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಇಟ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಇಟ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಇಟ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಇಟ್ಲ ಚಲೋ Amaldas, yeah. So Amaldas, the season of Amaldas is especially celebrated in Gond tribe. You must have heard about Gond tribe from Madhya Pradesh. So now they are extinguishing. The tribe is very less in number. So they have this celebration of Amaldas flower. They call it harvest. They call it spring. So during the time of that spring, they sing this song. So it's a tribal number from Gond language, so I'd like to present that for you. Since we don't have any rhythm instruments, I would like all of you to join. See, what is better than this? No rhythm. So in this tradition, the first thing that we would respect and thank is the mama, le yaya, and then the father, the baba, and then the river, Bhima. So these three things is something that they first do the puja for. So it goes like this. Johar Johar kero dai, Johar Johar kero dai, ikun Johar dai, le yaya, ikun Johar dai, Johar. Are la di lo yo re la re la, sa re la re la re la. Next to Baba. Johar Johar Thakur Devta, Johar Johar Thakur Devta, ikun Johar dai, le Baba, ikun Johar dai, Johar. Are la di lo yo re la re la, sa re la re la re la. Johar Johar Bhimal pe, Johar Johar Bhimal pe, ikun Johar dai, e Bhima, ikun Johar dai, Johar. Are la di lo yo re la re la, sa re la re la re la. Are la di lo yo re la re la, sa re la re la re la. So in that, one of the episodes was about this little girl children, so exploiting them, etc., etc. So it was a very serious issue that was discussed. So for that episode, this song was written Ore Chiraiya. So I'd like to.
क्या बात
I think light can go a little down. Adal. Ore Chiraiya, nane si chiliya, mere naame tere aaja re. Ore Chiraiya, nane
एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों में इस तरह, एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों में इस तरह, और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था।
La 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 la. एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह, हाँ एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह, और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। नाम है किसी का जिंदगी, एक मैं और एक तू,
दोनों मिले इस तरह, एक मैं और एक तू,
दोनों मिले इस तरह, और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था, ये तो होना ही था। Thank you.
Which I was thinking, which we were thinking that it must reach you on this special occasion. So, as I said, we were in the journey of our band, Navu band in Mysore and all of Karnataka and other states we've been traveling. And for one of the album songs that is about the letter to a soldier, from a soldier. So this was written in Kannada by Mr. T.K. Dayanand, but this is originally from Hindi. So a letter written by a soldier to his friend, another soldier, telling that if I die, don't tell this directly. So if you have to tell it to my mom, tell it this way. If you have to tell it to my daughter, do this. If you encounter my sister, you have to do this. If you happen to meet my wife, do this. You know, he writes everything and he gives that letter to his friend. And that's how it reached his home through his friend. So that song, we made it into an album song. It is on YouTube. You can also watch it. It's an album visual. It's in Kannada and Hindi both. And we received the Karnataka International Music Awards for that special. So,
Share the links also.
yes, definitely. It is a soldier song by Navu band. You can just type it. Soldier song by Navu. Naavu.
Naavu.
Yes, Navu. So you can. I think you can search it later, please.
Yeah.
That's why
Everybody has started. Yeah, we should time.
Yeah, please take a moment. So I'll sing it live, I think, for that I'm here today. So once I leave, you can watch it again and again, no problem. So it goes something like this. साथी एकदम से मत देना, मेरे अपनों का दिल टूट जाएगा। मेरे मौत की खबर साथी एकदम से मत देना, मेरे अपनों का दिल टूट जाएगा। माँ अगर मुझे पूछे तो, माँ अगर मुझे पूछे तो जलता दीपक बुझा देना, फिर भी समझ न पाए तो, फिर भी समझ न पाए तो आँखों से दो झलका देना। बाबा अगर मुझे पूछे तो, बाबा अगर मुझे पूछे तो उनकी पीठ को सहलाना, बाबा अगर मुझे पूछे तो उनकी पीठ को सहलाना, वो भी समझ न पाए तो, वो भी समझ न पाए तो उनकी लाठी तोड़ दो, उनकी लाठी तोड़ दो। मेरी बहना पूछे तो, मेरी बहना पूछे तो सुनी कढ़ाई दिखा देना, फिर भी समझ न पाए तो, फिर भी समझ न पाए तो मेरी राखी सामने दे, मेरी ये राखी सामने मेरी पत्नी पूछे तो, मेरी पत्नी पूछे तो सर झुका के आए भरने, मेरी पत्नी पूछे तो सर झुका कर आए भरने, वो भी समझ न पाए तो, वो भी समझ न पाए तो पाँव के पीछे हम उतार दो, पाँव के पीछे मेरी बेटी पूछे तो, मेरी बेटी पूछे तो उसके माथे को चूम लो, मेरी बेटी पूछे तो उसके माथे को चूम लो, वो भी समझ न पाए तो, वो भी समझ न पाए, गले लगा कर जोर से रोना। the last song should be Main Tene Fir Milangi. So we are doing this again for the show. Thank you so much for all the wonderful blessings, and I think this song has never reached this well ever before. We have sung this in different songs. The soldier song, we have sung this in different places, even in front of Rahul Gandhi when he had come, and also in different, festivals, and also with government programs when really people understand. This was made for the soldiers program where Karnataka media, they gave tribute to all those soldiers who were martyred, and so we composed this song. So I think this is the most emotional receive that we have seen. Thank you so much once again. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So before we go with the last song, my very special thanks to Nandini ma'am, because without her, I would never see how North India looks like. Really. I was always revolving down there in South, and I had no one here, no contact, nothing. But ma'am said, "You are very tour manager." I'll arrange it. Tour manager, and nobody in North India.
That is husband also.
I'll come to it, sir. Yes, because whenever I was busy with all other works, and then I would remember midnight I would get time. I would reply. I would message ma'am and. 12 o'clock, I will get a reply. 4 o'clock, I will get a reply. 3 o'clock, I will get a reply.
Oh my God.
I am working all night, and ma'am is like my senior working. So that way, every bit, every nail, every draft, it was sent to her first. Then that's how it was coordinated, and today we are here. And Rajiv sir's vision of how Nirmay receives our play and the song, now I understand. Whenever he was insisting, I was like, okay, they are also audience, not very. But when I see the pain and the stories that you have had, you've experienced, it is, we South people cannot match, really, because we don't know. We are in a very, safe, we are very in a comfort zone, I must tell you this. But how people here have handled life, it is much stronger, especially the partition and all. My God, it is. See, I have goosebumps. So thank you so much. Rajiv sir was like every step he's there, right from we get down, and the way we see his spirit, we three are like old people. You get it, you can do that. This is all the time. Everything is happening. Oh, we are lazy people here. They are all very. And after going one walk, the next day in Nirmay, I was like, my goodness, we are very lazy. In fact, we are not doing anything. So, as I said, Nirmay is the spirit of living. Thank you for motivating us for another, probably till next time I'm here, and I have energy. Okay, so. Yes, definitely. So, and also Team Nirmay, who have helped us in many ways. The technical requirements, they fulfilled all those staff, wonderful staff. I can't name everybody because they have been there.
Anu is the
I know. And whenever I see the calendar, your calendar, I was like, we have a calendar. Then she's the in charge of that. I was like, oh, this is terrible work. So congratulations, and all seniors. I should not call you seniors. We are. So all of you young people, vibrant people, thank you so much once again for blessing us. And also today's sound and light, thank you so much, and thank you Pradeep sir for accompanying us. And our Manjunath has now become Manjeet.
Stand up.
So he is the brightness and light behind all of us. So thank you. Yes, the last song. We'll sing Main Tene Fir Milangi and welcome to all of you. Please be seated. And please be seated. Give us another moment. One very special thanks to every member who is present here. One big applause for all of you from my side. Thank you so much for being here. And over to you, Nandini ma'am.
Only 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, please. We are still not the official lunch time. So I would like to take this.
तो ना हसीना मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी, मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी। तो ना हसीना मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी, मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी। तो ना हसीना नजदीक कैसे आते, ये फासला ये दूरी हम किस तरह मिटाते। हाथों में तुम न लेते जब हाथ ही हमारा, इस बेकरार दिल को मिलता कहाँ सहारा। हाय रूठो ना हसीना बिखरे गालों पे यूं न होते, ये नाग काले काले फूलों में यूं न सोते। ये रात का अंधेरा दिन से गले न मिलता, उल्फत का शोक ऊंचा ऐसे न दिल में खिलता। हाय रूठो ना हसीना मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी, मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी। रूठो ना हसीना पलकों पे बैठ जाओ, आँखों में डूब जाओ, दिल में मेरे समाओ। अब मुस्कुरा के कह दो हमको खफा नहीं है, एक दिल है एक जान है, हम तुम जुदा नहीं है। रूठो ना हसीना मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी, मेरी जान पे बन जाएगी। यूं रूठो ना हसीना। Thank you.
Involved in making this happen, and we will start with, of course, Anuji, Aryan. Okay. Ashiana management themselves had come and seen the play. I think it was in the third show or on the third show. So, Assistant VP of Ashiana Nirmay was there, specially invited. Mr. Ajit Sagwan, Assistant VP, is here to give them a round of applause. Please, sir, on the stage. Mr. Ajit Sagwan, Assistant VP of Ashiana, who's come from the head office, to appreciate the efforts, and we really got a lot of support and appreciation from them. So a small token from Ashiana side for the team.
Mike, pass karo, Mike.
Yeah. So for all three of them, who are the guests who came. Deepak, Mrinal and Deepak, all of you know they are part of the music club. They are the pillars. So I wanted to give them the honor. Big support from all of them. This Deepak to Manjunath. Manjit. And of course the key person for this event. Nandaji is such a helpful person. While I was still in Mysore, mind you, this planning started 3 months ago. Rajendra Raji to Sanuta. I got Delhi confirmed first. Her first recipe performance was at India International Center at Lodi Road, Delhi. Then he drove them to Chandigarh. He took them, completed the Chandigarh program. Then once I got Jaipur confirmed, he drove them to Jaipur and then brought them to Nirmay. Now his last responsibility is to cross around the Dhaka and get them safely to the airport.
I'm not supposed to shout at people. Rajiv, Nandini, Anjula, Deepak and Deepika have already adopted them. So I hope Nirmay officially adopts them too. You are wonderful. And I just want to, because I sing myself, I just want to say something about your voice. I have always been told by musicians and music teachers that the quality of a voice is when somebody is singing without an accompaniment or with a minimal accompaniment and makes you feel that you are hearing a lot of orchestra and accompaniment. Your voice is changing. All of you, Manjunath is also a wonderful stage designer, and Munna is, of course. He is also an accountancy professor.
Last but not the least, I would like to thank Nandini and Rajiv for bringing these people here.
Hopefully we'll see much more of her. It depends on the kind of support. She's a very busy woman. As I said, I used to wait for a reply all day. 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night, I used to hear that ting on my phone. I said, it has to be Sanuta. And I used to do all the modifications in our plan, talk to her or email her or, whatever we had to do. So all this has happened because of the teamwork. It's all of you. Thank you very much. Deepak, Mrinal and Deepak, all of you know they are part of the music club. They are the pillars. So I wanted to give them the honor. Big support from all of them. This Deepak to Manjunath. Manjit.
One voice from South, S. Janaki, and I heard her Sankarabharanam. One line, please. क्या बात? क्या बात? So nice. I wanted you, this to hear from the stage, but so nice.